Okay, in our last lecture, we did page number 168. We started the new unit number 17. So, we learned these uh, words from your book, that was crescent, star, spiral, oval, straight, nature, collage, sculpture, and pattern. So, you all know these are the shapes. Now, we are going to start a comprehension. So we will read this first and then we will move to complete the questions of this comprehension. Shapes and art. Okay, so in this comprehension, we will read about different shapes, kinds of shapes. Then we will read art shapes. Okay, and then we will complete the exercise. Okay, we can see shapes in people, animals, nature, art, and much more in our world. They are all around us. Okay, now look around you. What shape you can see? There must be shapes around you, so you can identify those shapes. Next, kinds of shapes. Squares and rectangles have four straight sides and four corners. How are squares and rectangles different? So, think first. How squares and rectangles are different? A square has four corners and all four sides are the same length. A rectangle also has four corners but two sides are longer than the other two. Circles and ovals don't have straight lines or corners. How are circles and ovals different? All triangles have three straight lines and three corners. Stars, crescents, and spirals are all very different kinds of shapes. Stars have lots of sides, crescents have two sides, but they aren't straight. Spirals don't have sides and they don't have straight lines or corners. What shape do you see in this nature collage? Okay, now you have to see in this collage, nature collage, and you have to tell that what kind of shapes you can see. Okay, the next page, art shapes. George W. Hart made the sculpture from wood. He uses math to help him make all his sculptures. What shapes can you see in this sculpture? Okay, look at this sculpture, and you have to tell that what shapes you can see. This picture is made from lots of circles. Now they are talking about this picture. This picture is made from lots of circles, and each circle has one color inside it. The artist Ben Hen used a computer to make this picture. A famous painter called Piet Mondrian inspired people to use shapes and straight lines in their paintings. Some things today, like dresses, uses patterns and colors. How many different shapes can you see in painting? Now we are talking about this painting. The next time you paint, draw, or make a piece of art, look for the shapes in your work to help you. Now move to next page, page number 172. Okay, what do you like about the text? Check why, give one reason. Okay, you have to give one reason why you like text or why don't you like the text. Different shapes. You like it or you don't like it or it was okay. Okay, different shapes, shapes and nature and shapes and art. You have to rate it and then you have to give one reason why you don't like or why you like. Okay, now the next is read the clues and write the shapes. Okay, now the first one is it has four corners, four straight sides, and all four sides are the same length. So let's do this. It has four corners, like it has one, two, three, and a four corners and four straight sides. It is straight. One, two, three, four, and all four sides are the same length. What is it? Think of it. It is a square. Yes, it is a square. Okay, the next one is It has three straight sides, like 1, 3, 2, and 3. Three straight sides, three corners, and the side can be different lengths. It has three straight sides, three corners, and the side can be different lengths. So it is a triangle. Like this. It is a triangle. Okay, now the next one is it has no straight sides, no corners, and the shape is like an egg. What is like an egg? It is like an oval. Yes. So now answer the questions. Don't look at the answers. You have to write your own answers. What shapes did Benhan use to make his picture? Find the answer from page number 171 and then write the answer. What did George Hart use to make his sculpture? And what artist uses straight lines to make the shapes in his paintings? Okay, you have to write the answers. You can find the answers from page number 171. Thank you. That's it for all.